What's up, everybody? I was doing some air compressor repair. What it is, it had a piece of copper tubing that went from here to there, and one of the flare nuts was busted, so it would seep down and kick on every once in a while. No big deal, but I just didn't like it. So I cut the copper tubing, put a piece of rubber hose on it. It worked for about 15 minutes. And so I replaced it with some pieces I had laying around mostly. It comes out of here 1/2 inch and goes in there 3/8 of an inch. Both pipe threads, so that was a little tricky conversion. I like this air compressor. See that date there, 1767. Maybe it was patented then? I don't know. I replaced the filter element, I guess you could call it. I took it apart and put a piece of Scotch-Brite in it. It had all that garbage in it. That was the filter. It's like a piece of wool. The Gilbarco Green Diamond compressor. Go put it in Barker Manufacturing, West Springfield, Massachusetts, USA. Seems to be holding about 125. And I hear a leak. Crap. Oh well. It's a lot smaller than it was. Took everything on this table to fix it though. It would have really helped if I had a proper die holder for this thing. I ended up grinding 2 flats on it so I could grip it with a pair of pliers. There and there. But yeah, this air compressor was my uncle's, great uncle's actually. He got it from Exxon, an Exxon that he worked at when they were upgrading back probably in the 50s or 60s. It's a lot older than I am, for sure. But I like it because it's old, it's cool, and it's really quiet. Really, really quiet for a good air compressor. That's it. See y'all later.